is Kendall and Nikki Mott. It we're cleaning up.
Happy birthday!
Nikki! How I got involved, I don't even know.
Cause you want pussy, you just don't know yet. You act like you know. They say 40-year-olds.
This is a good birthday. We'll put this on Facebook.
It gets better after 40, they say. So I don't want them. You got my paper towel.
I don't know what's happening right now. Hello.
Come in.
Hi, welcome to the party. Woo! We're cleaning up.
Nikki, I'm gonna.
It's Nikki's fault.
You didn't pay for your hair though, did you? You didn't look at your
I get my hair.
Honestly, this is the Met. Look,
Yeah.
I don't know if you missed it. Met, M-E-N.
I don't know how to spell. I don't know what it means.
Really? But really?
Gotta hurry the fuck up.
Niggas in Paris! Come on, niggas in Paris.
Hey, your earrings though.
Niggas in Paris is on right now. Alright.
Say right.
Alright, let's go. Let's get fresh.
Yeah. I feel so sticky.
That's alright.
I washed myself. You know what? I got cake in my frosting. I mean frosting in my eyebrows.
That feels good.